سلام، چطورین؟ خوبین؟ چه خبر؟ Today I'm going to show you how to use the Persian prepositions of place like رویه, تویه, and زیره together with has to talk about your home and neighborhood. So let's learn and practice the 15 prepositions of place in Persian. As you will notice, when used within a sentence, most prepositions of place in spoken Persian use اضافه as a linking element to connect to the following word. So in spoken Persian, تویه is in or inside, and بیرونه is out or outside. And for تویه, we also have the reduced form to. Let's put our first two Persian prepositions of place into practice. Take a look at the sentences and tell me how we can say there are some coffee shops in my neighborhood. توی محله من چند تا coffee shop هست. And is there a parking lot outside your building? بیرون ساختمون تو یه پارکینگ هست. Our next pair of prepositions are رویه and زیره. رویه and its reduced form. رو is on and زیره is under. So tell me how we can say there's a bench under the tree in our building. زیر درخت ساختمون ما یه نیمکت هست. And there are some bird nests on the rooftop. روی پشت بوم چند تا لونه پرنده هست. Notice that for house we have خونه and in written form خانه, and for nest we have لونه or لانه in written Persian. The next pair is بالایه and پایینه, up and down or above and below. So how can we use this pair to say there's a drugstore down their street? پایین خیابون اونا یه داروخونه هست. And there's a gas station up the street where you live, right? بالای خیابون شما یه پمپ بنزین هست، نه؟ Our next set of prepositions are روبروی, across from, جلوی, in front of, and پشت, behind. روبروی literally means face to face with, because رو is one way to say face in Persian, and be is the preposition to, as you remember. Now let's put our set into practice. There's a subway station behind his or her apartment. پشت آپارتمان اون یه ایستگاه مترو هست. There's some stores across from my apartment. روبروی آپارتمان من چند تا فروشگاه هست. What is there in front of your building? جلوی ساختمون تو چی هست؟ In our next set, we have سمت چپه on the left side of, سمت راسته on the right side of, and کناره next to. Now let's put this set into practice. There's a square next to their house. کنار خونه اونا یه میدون هست. There's an ATM on the right side of your building. Is it right? سمت راست ساختمون شما یه آبربانک هست. درسته؟ There are a few restaurants on the left side of our building. سمت چپ ساختمون ما چند تا رستوران هست. And in our final set, we have دوره, around, نزدیک, near, and بین, between. Let's practice. There's some taxi stands between my university and my house. بین دانشگاه و خونه من چند تا ایستگاه تاکسی هست. There are a lot of houses and shops around the square. دور میدون خیلی خونه و مغازه هست. And there are a few supermarkets near our apartment. نزدیک آپارتمان ما چند تا سوپرمارکت هست. Perfect. Now you know how to use the Persian prepositions of place with has to describe what you see around you. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.